family and to go to some forest to do penance in caves is not yoga. This is escapism. This is your weakness only. It is just due to virtues of many, many births that a person is born as a saint.
जन्म औषध मंत्र तपः समाधि जहां सिद्ध है.
There are some people who are blessed since birth only. Through sanskara of past life, spirituality of past life. Yoga doesn't teach escapism. Yoga teaches awareness. Then you will know what is religion. Then you will know about duty. Then you will know about karma. Then you will know what is this world.
ईशावास्यमिदं सर्वं यत्किंच जगत्यां जगत्.
What is this world? And Lord says,
ईशावास्यमिदं सर्वं.
in the 40th chapter of Yajurveda, in the Ishopanishad, Lord himself tells about his greatness. You just look around. I'm there in each particle. Outside, inside, I'm there. Just once remove your mind from the objects of desire.
तेन त्यक्तेन भुञ्जीतः मा गृधः कस्य सिद्धनम्.
You will know who am I. You will know what is this world. You will know what is religion. We mistook illusion as religion. We consider superstition, hypocrisy, and wrong practices as religion. Religion is truth. Religion is kindness. Religion is non-violence. In the name of religion, there is violence. In the name of religion, there is hatred. In the name of religion, there is atrocity. Maharishi Manu says,
धृति क्षमा दमोस्तेयम शौचम इंद्रिय निग्रहः धीर विद्या सत्यम अक्रोधो दशकम धर्म लक्षणम.
religion is patience. Wait for a second. Before you do anything, be with yourself and then move ahead. With this, anger will not come. If anger is not there, you will not quarrel. If anger is not there, there won't be misunderstandings. If anger is not there, there won't be disagreements. Patience will dissolve anger. You will be forgiving. Forgiving. Patience. Each moment have patience. With patience, right decision will come. Patience will not mislead you. Hence, patience is the first part of religion. Forgiving. Then you would forgive others. Strong is not that who with his strength, with his power, takes revenge from others. Strong is one, courageous is one, brave is one, who is capable and powerful. Even then, he forgives others. Hence, forgive others. It's possible that others may consider you weak. But even then, do not leave your religion. Forgiveness. Control. Control over sense organs. Have control. Detached. No desire towards anything at all. Do not steal. Purity. Live with purity.